As a parent of 3 young children, I'm acutely aware of how important the childcare sector is in this country. Indeed, I think everyone in the country during the pandemic saw how critical it was to make sure that this country was actually kept running. So today I'm delighted that the Minister for Children has published the report from the expert working group into the whole area of childcare, which is focused now on making a more publicly funded model available. That's going to see €1 billion per annum invested into childcare every year up to 2028, and ensuring also that the people who work at the front line of childcare are actually paid the money that they deserve. And some €78 million has been committed in this year's budget to improve the terms and conditions and the pay of those people and establish a new core funding strand. We know that childcare is the first rung in the education ladder, and we need to make sure that it's properly funded, properly supported, properly structured, and today has been a good day for childcare.